Hey guys, Dutchpie here, and today I'm playing Subway Surfers, and that's not sponsored. I don't even know what that thing is. Okay, anyway, let's keep going. Okay, so here we go. So before my high score was in the millions. You can, I don't know. Anyway, but then, I got rid of the game. I also had the skeleton named Manny. He was my favorite character. And when I got rid of the game, I didn't realize that I got rid of all my progress. So I re-downloaded the game like a week ago, and I'm already working my way up. So today I think I'm gonna try and pass my high score. So here we go. So I do not have Manny yet, or anymore. Because I had gotten rid of the game. Yes, I did have a million high score. But that's not the point. I'm just gonna try and beat my high score. So today the word is Coco. This video may stop and I may have to continue it. So we may have to continue the video in the next video. Or in another video. Let's turn that down. So, if you guys don't play Subway Surfers, it's a really fun game, I guess. You should try and play it. Or not. But every time you see an ad in one of my Subway Surfers videos, it's not sponsored. It's just an ad that comes on during the game. So we're still going. I don't really know how far we are yet. I'm not looking at it. Okay, so I just died. May not beat my high score today, but we're gonna do some fun things on Subway Surf. Oh, nice. So let's go to the shop. Hoverboard. Should we upgrade the 2 times multiplier, increase the duration of the double, or coin magnet? That's 10,000, 1,500. Okay, now I'll go to the store menu. Me. All I have so far is Tricky and Jake. No, I do not have any more people other than them. But I actually really want Coco. This one, because I like doing art. But sadly, I'm not going to be able to get her. So, is it he or her? But anyway, let's just try and collect as many coins as we can. If only I got a magnet, though. Anyway, please comment down below what kind of metal you have in Subway Surfers. Bronze, copper, golden, silver, diamond. Whichever league you're in, please comment down below. This may have to do it for the video today. So, see you guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.